Megan here from Take Time for Style, and I am super pumped to open up my spring Stitch Fix and share my unboxing with you guys. So I went a little rogue and I did something that I don't usually do. I went into my profile and I upped the ante. That's right, I went in and I increased my price amounts. The reason I did this is I was feeling like my closet was already really full, first of all, and Stitch Fix has a lot of like great new like high-end brands that they're using. So this allows me to maybe get like one or two special things instead of a whole box, which is really what I'm looking for. It's just kind of something fun and different for spring. So let's see if my stylist nailed it. And for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a subscription service. You get 5 items per box, and you can like set your style and price limits for things. Okay. So the first item here, this is the, I'm gonna say this wrong, Jalen knit bomber jacket. It's Andrew Marc Performance, and it's $78. It's like a blush pink color, and I kind of really love this. So different, and I don't feel like $78 is that outrageous considering I did increase my price point. So I'm really kind of digging that. I could see this wearing this a lot for spring. Okay, let's see. The second item here, we have the Moto Detail Skinny Pant by Pistola. These are olive and they're $88. And I really love this detail here over the kneecap. I've really wanted a pair like this. Again, this feels like such a kind of fun, edgy piece, a little different than some of the things I've been sent. So I'm digging these. What do you guys think? Okay, the third item. There we go. Okay, this is like white lacy detailed, Stanbury lace detailed tunic. It is $68, and it's cute. I don't know that it's necessarily my style, but I'm intrigued by it. So I like the detail on it, and I definitely like that length. Is always nice with a legging or a tighter pant. So again, that was $68. Ooh, I see something fun. Okay, we have this kind of cool maxi dress, Jemma tie waist maxi dress, Michael Stars, $168. So this is one where I definitely increased my price point. I'm gonna get my hand out of my face, and I can see the difference. To me, this is definitely a kind of more statement, fun piece to have in your spring summer wardrobe. Okay, up next we have the Yarrow off the shoulder top by Bailey 54. And it's $168. That does feel like a big jump up for a top, but it's always nice to try something new and get a little outside your zone. Also, I would say this feels kind of like a casual material even. So, for that price point, I would really need to be able to wear it to like a wedding or to like a fun night out, and this still feels very daytime to me, but it is pretty, and I definitely asked for things that were different. So I have several things in this box that I am excited about, and it's really a great idea every once in a while if you're feeling stale or like you just want to change up your style. Just ask your stylist, and they really do listen to you. My stylist was Jan for this box, who I've had before and does a great job. So let me know what you think. Make sure to subscribe and also leave links to your own Stitch Fix unboxings. That way I can see what you guys got too. I love to kind of, peek out and see what's out there so I can then point my stylist to, oh my God, I love this dress. Anyways, thanks for watching and have a great spring, y'all. Bye.